Home sweet home. Native walls, reliable roof, cozy furniture. But no matter how much we love our dwelling, sometimes it needs a makeover.
Hey, you broke my garage door.
It's Elsa, today's guest of Lightning Repair with Sam.
Hello everyone.
Tell us, how did you decide to take such a serious step as altering your home? For example, how do you feel about having renewed walls?
Well, we could probably add more blue.
No guesswork about color. Everything is clear. We need more pink.
How? Why pink? I don't get it.
Do you want to know what will come out of it? Stay tuned.
Hi.
Este proyecto debe llevarse a cabo con la supervisión de un adulto para garantizar una experiencia segura y placentera.
Oh, I can't believe it's been 2 whole years since we've made this craft. Oh, so many wonderful memories. So much comfort and warmth.
Ladies, what's with all the misery? A craft day like this should be cheerful. Today we're doing the house and it's gonna be fun.
Yes. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha. We'll start from the very base, the floor and walls. But first, let's empty the rooms.
Oh, oopsie, my apologies. Before emptying the bathroom, you need to turn up the water, or there will be a splash.
We can't do without the flood. Thanks, Plumber Sam.
I'm on it.
Will I not have a bathroom in my new house anymore?
Oh, for this throne, I'm even willing to pay.
Hey, Sam!
What?
We still need a toilet thief. Let's keep all the old furniture items in one place. For example, here. And whoosh! We're gonna use all of this, only a little bit later. Well, the house is empty now, which means that it's time
It's time to get rid of the old decor. Railings in the snowy blue style are no longer in fashion. Bam, 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 bam.
Alright, we'll definitely change them. Let's carefully take it out. The staircase, by the way, will also be restored.
Oh, how can I get down?
Come on, Sammy, hop on. I'll fly you away.
Oh, wow, take me down. That's enough. I'd rather help you from here, Susie. I feel safer.
As you say, then help me here.
It's easier than building. Ow! Oopsie, Susie, I think I broke something. I'm so sorry. Oh, fix it.
Don't. This is exactly what we needed to do next. Getting rid of the old textures.
I did that better. Ow! Oh, you missed the spine.
Oh, be gone, smarty pants. I'm not finished yet.
Hey, be nicer to this slime.
In a case like this, I have a solvent hidden away. Let's rub a little. It worked! It's best to ask an adult for help with this though. And in the same way, we're getting rid of all the unnecessary decor pieces, like this.
Oh my god, that is so loud. Elsa, stop it! I can't bear it anymore!
Castle, and now I'm literally without a roof over my head!
Susie, we gotta do something, or we'll drown here soon!
Then it's good that we're already moving on to the next stage. Don't go anywhere!
That's it. Hey, I didn't have time to show it to our viewers!
Don't worry, Sammy. I'll show it myself. Oh, such a beauty. And this wall perfectly matches the new floor. Just a couple of light movements, and the first floor begins to emerge.
You bet! Lightning Repair with Sam is the best show! By the way, it's time for another TV interview! Tell me, what exactly are you doing right now?
Sammy, you're bothering me. Less talking, more working to finish faster.
But on TV, the presenter is constantly interviewing. A few words? Wait! Elsa!
You can change the concept and become the world's first presenter slime who does everything himself in the frame. We'll appreciate it.
The first in the world, you say? Well, of course! Step aside, Susan! I'm gonna do it myself!
Wow, now that's the speed, and I really like the new design.
Then I think the new roof will impress you even more!
Oh, well, alright, minimalism also looks good.
Just flip the piece, Susan!
Oh, really? Oh, check out this mesmerizing tile! And what a great combination of colors! Thumbs up to Builder Sam!
What, Builder? I'm a great decorator! I'm an artist!
Yeah, go paint the stairs.
Okay. We'll see. Monsieur Magnifique will turn any steps to a work of art. There you go. Almost a diamond staircase for a true queen.
Oh, I see you decorated yourself too with precious stones, Maestro. By the way, I also did something. Look how the railing turned out.
Looks like now the theme of pink is fully revealed.
Not really. We also need to install an updated door to the balcony. It's easy. Whoosh! And the railings, of course. It seems that we're done with the construction and repair part. Sammy?
Wait, what about the garage? There was a door here.
But now there will be something else. I'll reveal this secret in a couple of seconds.
Enough! Sue, what are you doing here? It's time to arrange the furniture.
Whoa, gotcha.
What? Why is it empty? Someone stole all the furniture!
The suspects have been arrested. Surely it was them.
No, we didn't do anything.
Release us, release!
No panic. Cops won't find any loss. Well, what is this? Interesting. Lieutenant Susan, help me with these rags.
Would you let me speak? I took all the furniture.
And you didn't warn me? How dishonest of you!
No, it's very creative of me. Check this out. And now Elsa's legs won't freeze on a cold tile.
What are you talking about, Susan? She ran barefoot in the snow.
Oh, Sammy, don't you know that life isn't always like it's in the movies? Unlike our bathroom, which turned out just fabulous.
So nothing will happen if I do this? What? A refrigerator? Come on!
Your magic worked, just not quite right. If you hadn't been in a hurry, it would have been perfect, like mine.
Oh yeah, well now I'll show you. She will teach me. I know that for myself. A little bit more.
Take it easy, Sammy.
I won't stop halfway. I never give up. Oh, that's not easy at all.
I just came up with something. And get together. Great. This cute low table will now be sitting on the balcony.
Sue, Elsa's hinting that she's tired of waiting. Tick-tock, you know.
Great idea. I'm sure Elsa wouldn't mind having her own clock, so she will never be late.
You didn't get it. It's time to go to bed, but we don't have a bedroom.
So furnish it. I have only 2 hands, you know.
Sammy do this, Sammy do that. No rest for me. So this will be here, and this, well, it should be here. And a chest of drawers. A chest of drawers right here. Gifts. I'll keep for myself. Well, I'm done. What do you say, Sue? Cool, right?
But you furnished the nursery. What about the bedroom for Elsa?
I'm tired. I should take a nap to recharge.
Sammy, you overslept New Year's Eve.
What? Are you serious? So I missed it all?
No, but we're almost done with our craft. We only need to add a festive atmosphere. Hop, and that's it. Well, let's call the lady of the house, shall we?
So, Elsa, are you ready to see a new dream home?
Of course.
Elsa, where are you?
This way it'll be more comfortable. Let's race. So let's see. Oh, how wonderful it is here. And the kitchen is so well placed. Oh, I'm so hungry.
Why don't we see what we have in here? Oh, Elsa, this is the pie for you.
Oh, thank you, but let's cool it down. The most needed room in every house. There's so much pink in here. Oh, what a soft little rug, but let's keep going. A staircase worthy of a snow queen. Wow, I should check out the 2nd floor. Oh, amazing.
Sue, I think Elsa likes our makeover, and it was my idea.
It'll be so cozy here in the evenings to admire the stars. Hop, hop. Oh, what a delight. The smell's just divine.
It remains to see the bedrooms. Let me help you.
Oh, I wish I had a nursery like this when I was little. Am I going to sleep here? Wow, it's so soft and cozy.
And all the beautiful royal outfits will fit in here. Sammy, you were right. The pink house suits Elsa no less than the blue one.
I like everything so much. Thank you, Sue and Sam.
We should also thank our viewers for being with us today. Watch our new videos on the channel.
And don't forget about thumbs ups. Hey, don't go anywhere just yet, people.
Well, now I also have a New Year's atmosphere here. Oh, what a great job we did today with that house. Now I'll turn on some good movie. Oh, friends, are you still here? Thank you for being with us today. It's always fun with you.
Be sure to subscribe to Sam and Sue's channel.
Aw, thanks, Elsa. But where's Sam?
Here I am, and I have a brilliant idea, Sue. Hey, fellas, we can remake your houses too. Would you like that? Then write to us at
Sammy, stop joking. We gotta wish the guys a Happy New Year. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye-bye, and Happy New Year!
Primero, peguen el paño de secar en la mitad superior del cartón, así. Luego, peguen un paño para el polvo en la mitad inferior. Corten cuidadosamente el material restante en los bordes y peguen los guantes de goma para hacer el mar. Rasguen pequeños trozos de toalla de papel. Estas serán las olas. Péguenlos sobre los guantes para hacer que el mar luzca espumoso. Ahora, cuidadosamente, corten figuras con la esponja limpiadora para hacer un sol y un bote. Y también un balde y una pala. Luego peguen todo con pegamento blanco. Es un maravilloso paisaje marino. Pero qué ingenioso dibujo. ¿Por qué no intentan hacer uno y luego a enmarcarlo? ¿No es una magnífica idea? ¿Y qué es lo que vamos a hacer ahora? Estoy leyendo este libro sobre todos los diferentes animales del mundo. Si ustedes pudieran ser algún tipo de animal o criatura, ¿cuál les gustaría ser? Creo que me gustaría ser un magnífico pájaro volando por las nubes. Pero solo hay un problema con eso. ¡No puedo volar! No, creo que no sería un buen pájaro después de todo. Pero ¿saben algo? Esto me ha dado una gran idea. ¡Intentemos algo! Hagan su propio y magnífico nido de pájaro con un cordel. ¡Hagámoslo! ¡Necesitamos cosas de las gavetas locas! Cordel y un viejo pocillo plástico. Pinturas. Algunos pompones. Una botella de pegamento blanco y papel de seda rasgado. Cartón anaranjado, adhesivos blancos y un marcador. ¡Oh! Bien, para hacer un magnífico y colorido nido de pájaro, como este que tengo aquí, primero tomamos 3 pocillos. Aquí hay 1, 2 y 3. En estos 3 pocillos vamos a poner un largo trozo de cordel en cada uno. Ahora tenemos que agregar la pintura. Pueden escoger el color que ustedes quieran, pero yo escogeré el verde, rojo y amarillo. Ponemos el verde en el primer pocillo, ahora el rojo y el amarillo en el tercer pocillo. Y ahora en cada uno agregaremos un poco de pegamento blanco. Es el momento de revolver. Dejamos los pocillos a un lado. Y luego tomamos un viejo pocillo de plástico como este. Asegúrense de consultarle a un adulto por si pueden usarlo. Luego lo voltean por sobre la bandeja. Así. Comencemos a cubrir todo el pocillo con el cordel con la mezcla especial. Primero usaremos el cordel verde. Ahora podemos agregar el rojo y el amarillo. Pero ya que los dedos están algo sucios, será mejor limpiarlos primero. Asegúrense de cubrir el pocillo con muchas capas de cordel de distintos colores. Así. Luego pueden esperar a que seque durante la noche. ¡Buenas noches! ¡Buen día! Cuando esté bien seco, con mucho cuidado, vamos a sacar el pocillo. Eso es. Y quedará un hermoso nido. Ahora solo falta el pájaro. Aquí está. Y para hacer un pájaro necesitan 2 pompones. Se verá mejor si usan uno grande y otro pequeño. Ahora vamos a pegarlos. Listo. Ahora vamos a ponerle los ojos al pájaro con adhesivos blancos. Con el marcador negro agreguen puntos para las pupilas y péguenlos. Solamente nos falta el pico del pájaro. Y para eso necesitamos un trozo de cartón anaranjado. Así que vamos a cortar un triángulo. Pero con cuidado porque las tijeras son filosas. ¡Oh! Y luego péguenlo en el pájaro. Y ya pueden poner el pájaro en su nuevo hogar. Así que tomamos el nido nuevamente y hacemos que sea más acogedor agregando un poco de suave papel de seda rasgado. Y ponemos al pájaro en el centro. ¡Magnífico! Un hermoso pájaro en su nuevo y colorido hogar. Y también pueden probar otras ideas. ¿Qué tal un nido de pájaro brillante que fue hecho esparciendo brillantina en el cordel con pegamento? O también un gran nido de pájaros con muchos pajaritos adentro. ¡Fantástico! ¡Hora de irse! Mi tiempo de trabajo ha terminado, pero el suyo acaba de comenzar. Nos vemos. Es hora de meter todo esto de vuelta a la